everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Python Brains. Hope you all are well, and our today's topic is how to slice strings in Python. Before starting this video, that is compulsory to know what is a string, how we can declare the string, how we can traverse the string. So you will get all the answers in my single video, that is a string introduction. So you will check that video in my channel in separate playlist of Python string. Now we start our today's topic, that is string slicing. What is a string slicing? The basic of string slicing I already covered in my previous video also, but in today's session we learn this topic in detail with the help of examples, and also we learn how we can solve string slicing questions. So string slicing in Python is about obtaining a substring from the given string by slicing it respectively from start to end. Okay, that means slicing means what? Slicing means piece of something. Okay, like we have one pizza. Okay, a round shaped pizza is there, right? So one slice of pizza is what? The sub part. Okay, a small part. Similarly, string slicing is what? I have a one string. Okay, if I just want to print a substring, a small part of that particular string, that is known as a string slicing. So the main syntax of string slicing is we have a string, then start index, end index, and the step value we have in this. Now, all three things are very important, but the step value play a very important role in string slicing. How? So, 2 points you just keep in your mind, that if step value is positive, then move in forward direction. If step value is negative, then move in backward direction. Only these 2 points you can just keep in your mind. Only these 2 points. These 2 points helps you in solving questions also. So these 2 points are very important for string slicing. That if step value is positive, then move in forward direction. If step value is negative, then move in backward direction. Let's start with one example. Okay. Now this is my string. Learn Python Brains. This is my basic string, and I just divide that string in indexing part, right? So you can see this is my forward indexing and this is my backward direction. Okay, backward indexing. So from 0 to 17, that is a forward indexing, and from -1 to -18, that is my backward indexing. Now you see, if I just want to print s colon -2, so in this, starting value is not there, ending value is not there. If starting and ending value is not there, so if starting value is missing, that is by default 0. If ending value is missing, that is by default the length of the string, means the last value. And the step value is -2. Now, what is my point for the step value? That if the step value is negative, then move to the backward direction. Okay. So now you see from 0 to end here. Okay. I just want to cover the entire string. Now -2 means backward direction. So I start with this S and the gap of 2. So S, then I, then R, then this underscore, like that I just print. Okay. So this is the simple way how I can print this small example. Next, the same string I have, and my question is 2 colon 3. Now in this, the start value is 2 and the ending value is 3, but step value is not there. So if step value is not there, so by default the step value is 1 in this. Okay, so now see, my starting value is 2 in this and my ending value is 3. And we know that in the slicing part or in the range function also we learn that the last value never include. Okay, the last value never include in the output. So that means it start from 2. So 2 is only there because 3 is not included. So what is the value of 2 in this? A. So A is printed for this statement. Okay, so is it clear to everyone? Next we have S2 colon 3 colon -1. Now in this, you can observe one thing. I start from 2 and go to the 3, right? 2, 3. So this is my forward direction. Okay, I'll just move to the forward direction from 2 to 3. But here it is -1. -1 is backward direction. So that is mismatch in this, right? So in this type of question, student gets confused. So don't get confused. Please see. I can explain this example again. 2 to 3, that is a forward way. Forward direction I just want to move. Okay, according to the start value and according to the end value, I just move to the forward direction. But the -1 step value rule is what? The step value rule is if the step value is negative, then I just want to move to the backward direction. So here the mismatch is there. So that's why it shows an empty string. Nothing is printed there. Okay. Now let's check the another statement. My another statement is -15 to -16. My start value is -15 and my ending value is -16. Now you can see this is a -15 and this is a -16. So from -15 to -16, this is a backward direction. Okay, I just move to the backward direction according to these values. But step value is not given in this. So by default, it is 1. 1 is a positive number. According to the rule, if my step value is positive, then I just want to move to the forward direction. So again, start and ending value is just at a backward direction, but my step value is 1 that move to the forward direction. Again, mismatch is there. So that's why it's just print an empty string, not reflect any error in the program. Next, we have -15 to -16. Again, start value is -15, end value is -16. Now, we know that the ending value never include in this, right? So, -1 is my backward indexing. That means backward direction. I just want to move to the backward direction. So, simply -15 is what? The R is there. So, that's why it prints only R. Next, we have one more example. You can see -6 to 7. Now, where is -6? This is -6 and this is 7. Okay. So, -6 to 7. The backward direction. Okay. -6 to 7 backward direction and -2. Again, the step value is -2. So, -2 means move to the backward direction. So, start from -6. So, -6 is B, gap of 2, then 8, and gap of 2, then H. H, after H, we know that the 7 is not included because the last value never included. So the program stopped here and the output is B and H. So this is the simple way how we can solve the slicing problems. Next we have 4 colon -8. Now this is my 4 value and this is my -8 value, right? So 4 to -8, the forward direction, okay? And the step value is not given. If the step value is not given, then not a problem because by default the value is 1, right? So 1 is a positive number. Positive means forward direction. Okay. So now we can see from 4 to minus 8, forward direction, and 1 is also a positive number, the step value, that also indicates the forward direction. So we start from N, P, Y, T, H, O. Okay, this value we never included in this. Okay, so that's why it stopped till number O, minus 9. Okay, is that clear to you? Next we have here 9 colon minus 10. So 9 is there and minus 10 is there. Okay, so 9 to minus 10, backward direction. Okay, backward direction, but the step value is 1. That indicates forward direction. So how can I move? So that is again a mismatch problem. So that's why it shows an empty string. Next we have in this 9 colon minus 10. That's not a problem. The same problem we have. 9 to minus 10. But the step value is minus 1. So 9 to minus 10, backward direction. Minus 1 also indicates the backward direction. Negative indexing is there. So 9 is O. And minus 10, we know that that's not included in this. So that's why it printed only number O in this. Next, we have the starting value is 23. Okay. And here you can see the ending value is not there. Okay. So ending value is not there. Okay. So starting value is 23 and ending value is not there. So that means it's just to the length of the string, the end of the string. And the step value is minus 6. Now in this, the one part is that is very important. If you write normally in the string S23, okay, so this will show an error, the out of index, normally. But if we can use in the indexing part, so that basically not shown any error and this will produce an output. Okay, so 23 means the last point we have 17 to end, but the indexing is minus 6. That means the negative indexing is there. So I just want to move in backward direction. Okay, so but the gap of 6. So S is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is printed. So like that we print our output. Okay, and according to this condition, the output is S underscore P. Okay, so next we have here in this 2 colon minus 22 colon minus 1. So now you see it start from 2 and minus 22 is not there. So here, but it show the backward indexing, backward direction. We just move to the backward direction because 2 to negative, right? 2 to negative minus 22. But the step value is also a negative number. So we move to the backward direction. So second, this will not include. So A, E, L. So this print all the values here in this. Okay. So next we have in this one more example for you students. 15, starting value is 15, ending value is not there. Ending value is, that means 15 to length of the string, but the indexing is minus 2. Minus 2 means negative indexing. Negative indexing means we move to the backward direction. So 15 to backward direction. Okay. So I, gap of 2, R, then underscore, then O, then T, then P, then R, then E. Okay, all the values it printed start from 15 to backward. Okay, and we know that if last value is missing, that means the length of the string or the last of the string. You can say that. Students, I hope this concept is clear to you now. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment section or you can mail us on our mail ID. We will be very happy to help you in your Python journey. If you like my video, do press the like button and share your views in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the updates of my upcoming interesting videos. Till then, keep watching, keep studying. Thank you.